I will be dealing with that matter shortly. The tone of his letter, the arrogance, is something we will deal with. And I think I would say high-handedness with which you are talking about. And you're not the first commissioners he has differed with. He differed with Commissioner Kombe, differed with the other 3 commissioners in 2017, with the 4 of you, with Chiloba. It cannot be that the 4 commissioners, 3 commissioners, Commissioner Kombe, Chiloba are all wrong, and only one man called Chebukati is right. There must be something about his personality which goes to the root of the problem, because Article 138 is very clear, and the matter came up before the commission, before the Supreme Court. Looking at the ruling, particularly clause 48 of that ruling, the chairperson had submitted that the issue of verifying and tallying was his exclusive authority. The Supreme Court differed with him, and paragraph 49, they were very categorical, and if I may read that, we find that the chairperson cannot arrogate to himself the power to verify and to tally the results of the presidential election to the exclusion of the other members of the commission, meaning yourselves. And indeed, Article 138.10, this is what he's been relying on, because he's saying as a returning officer, it was his prerogative. And they said, indeed, Article 138.10 of the Constitution, although the power to declare the results of a presidential election after verification and tallying is vested in the chairperson, he does so only as a delegate of the commission, one of you having sat, tallied, verified, and you announced. I do remember, and Irene Masit will remember, Isaac Hassan was also our classmate at the university. When he was faced with a similar situation in the previous election, the declaration of the results was delayed for almost 7 hours. When Isaac Hassan sat with his colleagues, they were able to build consensus, and when they came out as a united commission to make that declaration. Now, the concern of this team is that going into the future, having listened from you, you are sidelined, given peripheral roles, and your co-mandate was not, you're not given the opportunity to exercise it. In future, there's a danger of a rogue chairman. You are 7, this chairman had 2 only, minority supporting him. The majority of you, up to today, have not owned those results, which still cast the shadow on the legitimacy. Even if we say the Supreme Court's ruling was final,